Welcome students. Today we will work through a grade 12 problem which requires us to solve for x and y. This question is worth 6 marks. Let us begin. We call the first equation 1 and the second equation 2. We need to make x or y the subject of the formula. In this case, I think working with equation 2 would be much easier. So x times y is equal to 8. I will now make a random decision to make y the subject of the formula. So y is equal to 8 over x. We can call this equation 2 prime. So I substitute equation 2 prime into equation 1. So 4 times y, in this case y is 8 over x, minus x is equal to 4. I multiply both sides of the equation by x. This will make the denominators constant, which will be 1. So I have 32 minus x squared equal to 4x. Let us take the left side of the equation to the right side and change the sign. Here we can factorize using our calculator. So I press mode 5 and 3. So I insert 1, 4 and minus 32. So x is equal to 4 and minus 8. Now let us fill in the factorization step. So we have x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 8. We need to substitute this into equation 2 prime to find the values of y. So y is equal to 8 over 4, which is equal to 2, and y is equal to 8 over minus 8, which is equal to minus 1. We can write this in coordinate form. So x and y is equal to 4 and 2, or minus 8 and minus 1. And this is our 6 marks. Note that you can also work with equation 1 first and make either y or x the subject of the formula, and then substitute into equation 2. Thank you for paying attention. Bye.